Zara. I have these shorts that I thrifted. I went to Salvation Army a few days before my trip and I got some jeans that I just cut into shorts because I didn't have the time to order anything or anything like that, so I just cut these. Salvation Army, and then this is from H&M. My bag is Rebecca Minkoff, just really old. My jewelry, I don't know, I got it for Christmas. Coquita, ready? Here you go. Just look at this. And then I'm just wearing these sneakers right here. That's where it's at right here. We're here for 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. And so, yeah, he's talking about the sandwiches. We get sandwiches every morning from my uncle's business, and it's the best thing ever. We're gonna do liquid IV in
touristy San Juan.
He hates it here.
I hate it here. So many Americans. It's barely Puerto Rico. A lot of ratchets and a lot of potholes.
Facts, facts, facts.
Yep.
This is passion fruit flavor. So, let's see. I'm feeling this might end in my camera with the bottle. It's supposed to dissolve completely. I haven't had it in cold water though.
You need the hydration. It's extremely hot.
We've just been drinking a lot.
And we have
We haven't had water.
or sleeping. Wasn't sleeping either.
No. I think the first night we had better sleep. The first night at the
Oh yeah, definitely.
apartment
Yesterday
and
was late. What is it about 2? The time just kept going.
Right. Half and half.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tastes like a diet passion fruit.
Diet passion fruit, really? You want taco maker?
I've had better.
You've had better?
But it's not bad.
No, but this is like we have to drink it though.
See,
This car is called Chitri.
Chitri. This car is, I don't know, maybe it should be called Chitri.
It's a little Chitri.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Two different experiences with Arroyo and San Juan.
Oh, it's better when it's cold.
You've been nasty before?
Yeah, it was like super salty. But it said that the salt...
I'm like, but I'm in the gas now.
I know, I should have drove. Every time you wear those, you say that.
Because if I...
Because of the bottom, I know.
The back,
It's the
right
bottom.
here, back of the shoe.
That's the worst part.
Scrapes, and there's a
I know.
booby back. It has the mouth back.
But my back is lifted, so it's kind of like, drink this shit. Not bad. The aftertaste is pretty good though. He's gonna be, you're gonna be tanner than me. I'm pretty upset. Your face. You got a lot of color yesterday at the beach. You ready? We got our gear on.
Always ready.
We're about to go on these kayaks. ¿Cómo es que se llama el lagoon? Luminous Lagoon is where we are headed. So you go to the water, the lagoon, and then it's like pitch black, and then like you run your fingers through it, and it lights up. I don't know the science behind it, but there's something there.
Boy, you too crazy. Call the child I shit. Call the ride it. Come on a car like this. I wanna ride like this. You call the child I shit. Call the ride it. Come on a car like this. I wanna ride like this. How could you be so at times it can look dark outside. You cannot see the light, but I guarantee it's light outside. It's bright outside. I don't want you to ever think that you're the only one. I don't want you to ever hesitate and think that you are not enough. Just roll the dice like me. Oh, what a bright idea. Just roll the dice.
I don't know. It's from our towels.
Oh,
Whoa.
pizza, I am, Domino's, whoa.
Am I gonna get a shout out on your vlog?
No.
Wait, we're just gonna eat arepa, that's quick.
Yeah.
Boy, you too crazy. Cause all that shit. Oh, the ride. Come on a car like this. On a ride like this. You cause all that shit. Oh, the ride.
So we just got back to. Oh! Freaking legaltijo. Checked out of San Juan earlier this morning, and we went and kind of strolled around, looked. We tried to rent some bikes, but apparently 11 a.m. is very late. Who knew? Anyways, but we took some pictures. We went to the Pela. We went to the Carmelo Anthony basketball court. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen it. I have quite the shot. Just kidding. And now, then after, it was just like a lot to record. I could have done it, but then, it makes me like stick out like a sore thumb. Like, what is this girl doing with the camera on her, So, whatever. I was trying to enjoy the moment, and we went to Guabate. We had some food, some lechon, asado, arroz con gandules. We also had some vianda, and now we're back in Arroyo. We're staying here for another 4 days until my birthday, actually, and yeah, pretty tired, but I'm just gonna lay in the maca and relax. It's not really hot today. I'm not gonna say chilly because someone's gonna be like, oh my god, it's not cold. And yeah, right, Robin?
I got new news. Blackie's pregnant.
Oh god, ¿cómo tú sabes?
La pipeta.
¿Tiene pipa?
Yes, check it out.
No, ahora no, mañana.
Hello, people. Yeah, Ebony.
Yeah, okay.
Ebony. Get the camera. Say hi. Mama, say hi.
Also, he's not gonna give me credit for it, but I showed DJ a picture of Aisebas. If you follow I Love Sarai, you know who Aisebas is. They're now engaged. I was showing him like his style was like really nice or whatever, and he was like, ooh, I'm feeling this hair, and he was like, I want to do that tomorrow. I was like, tomorrow. And so we just came back from Sally's, and he's having my grandmother over there. They're having a conversation over there about the process they're about to embark, which is dyeing of the hair. So it's just gonna be chill. Look at the sky. I don't even know where my phone is. I just leave it. I don't even look at it.
Sí, pero estaba cerrado.
Oh, no.
Pero comimos este lechón en Los Pinos.
Ay, no,
Cuando le gusta Robert Lee.
Prepáralo para que se lo dé tú. Yo te voy a dar las instrucciones y tú lo vas a hacer. Porque cuando yo no esté...
Enséñale, exactamente.
Él sabe.
Él dio que
Él
sabe.
es bien,
We're doing this.
I have to do it?
Yep. Look, you say he's gonna get in the car, you already knew, right?
But I don't want to be responsible for you coming
So
out bald.
he has to do a little
¿Y si
bit of-
sale calvo?
Estoy cocinando los octopus.
You might as well kiss the damn thing.
Rápida el pelo ahora. Sus dedos están aquí.
When
Right
he got home, he
now?
did a little bit of everything already, right?
Why are you
Yeah, right
smelling
now,
my ass? These dogs invade privacy because they're happy. ¿Para dónde fueron a comer?
¿Te imaginas? Que me llegue esos dineros y me quedo acá.
Muchacho,
En serio. Dale, ya que estás en el seca.
te queda y tú no tienes que trabajar, muchacho.
Trabajo por la computadora.
¿Tú ya pensás que te iba a comer?
Sí.
¿Quién?
¿Tú?
¿Quién iba a comer? ¿Tú?
Why?
Con mami.
No, yo no iba a comer porque yo ya había
Smell my
comido.
butt. Let me see.
He's a baby. Why dogs always smell your butt?
La bolsita, dame acá. Eso. Estás más lenta que una caravana de cojo.
Oh my god.
Tessa, I think Zico has the look.
This is the look we're going for.
I think so. No, I was inspired already.
By who?
Puerto Rico.
Nope. Ay, Sebas.
I say about that.
Okay, you wanna be body
Está frío.
Just kidding.
Estamos en
New
invierno.
inspo.
¿Ah?
A ver, Leida.
Is it turning yet?
Wait, they put the bleach?
Yeah, it's already started.
For real? Intense.
Let me tell you, your roots
I'm pretty dead.
covered.
They're already coloring up? Oh my god.
Le voy a la cocina, estoy lavando
Panic mode is activated.
Oh my god. Again, this is not my fault. You changed your mind too many times.
So we have Oneida the stylist Dike.
As long as it's not brown. I don't like brown. That's just already, I did that shit like 5 times. I need yellow, like yellow, like, see that says? Yellow.
I promise you, you don't want it that yellow.
Drop it on my arm.
El que le crece fue que le quedó la punta.
Okay, Maria, abuelita.
Mira, Robeli, por favor, saque estos perros. Honestly, there's no light, so
That's what she gonna blame it on.
technically, I'm
Doesn't matter.
blindfolded.
There's no errors. Look, it's already working. Holy crap. It's gonna look good, trust. Good job, babe. Good job. Oh my god, you just dropped the whole shit on my... Bro, you're gonna bleach my clothes, bro.
Sorry.
It's not sorry when the clothes got bleached. Take your time. Take your time.
I
Do not get
am.
nervous. Do not get nervous.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's
Ya le está aclarado.
okay. Hold
Oh,
on.
it's gonna look dope. I'm telling
No,
you.
right now it's looking like a nice
I see
honey,
it already.
a honey.
And once I get a cerquillo, I'm telling you. Tomorrow we're going to the barbershop, Robin.
Pero mañana está cerrada.
Light. Oh, okay, I can do
Todo
it.
eso tiene que
Yeah,
dividirlo.
exactamente,
Divídelo,
exactamente.
divídelo, Nady, mira.
Ajá,
I got
Let me
it.
show you.
I
Good job,
got
good
it.
job, Maria, good job.
I got it.
Good job, because
I
you're
see.
right. You're right,
Ahí.
Maria, you're right.
So
You
here
gotta
we
get
go.
between.
But I need light.
You gotta do like a little bit of hair at a time, like a section.
Welcome to the Rios Gonzalez family.
Pero, Daniel, levántate. Stand up.
Oh, yeah, she's good. She's good.
Contra, pero yo no lo voy a durar toda la vida.
I told No, you look like right now, you look like, what's that kid with the one thing on the top? Alfalfa.
Alfalfa.
Entonces agarra un plástico y se lo pone. Ay, pero mira.
My grandma's the same way. When you cook, she'll interfere. She'll start finishing the meal.
Guys, look at the progress right here.
Looking lit, lit like this.
Like 50.
Ay, mamá.
You gotta let it focus.
Whoa, you're really blonde over here, sir.
Make sure you get
Cause that's where she started.
Right here, baby, un poquito. Por si acaso.
Where his finger is, on top of his finger, right?
Todavía está, lo tiene como el color mío.
Okay, so now you
That's
just have
cute.
to,
No, but I want to go lighter. If it goes lighter, even better.
so put a bag over, so let it oxidize.
Ponle plástico.
Right here. Keywords.
What, oxidize?
No, not keywords.
Ahora tú le pones
Wise words.
plástico.
Yeah.
Ese plástico empieza a calentar el cuerpo, a calentar y activa.
Ajá.
Eso activa el. Y esa barba tú te la vas a bajar un poquito mañana porque esa te parece a Fidel Castro. Ve, se le ve la cara más. Mira qué finita se le ve la cara. Mira qué finita. Míralo. Pero con esto, mira lo que parece que tiene 2 panas ahí, ¿me entiendes?
I'm so glad I got this all on camera.
Yeah.
Que vas a tener que poner algo para que te... Mira, Lenny, ponte como... Cuando te bañas, te pones como algo ahí para que te baje.
Do the job.
Bueno, cada vez que va más, pues guarda la luceta.
She's
Oh, you can do that
focused.
too. You can push it out.
Mira,
Hey
por aquí
guys.
sí. ¿Qué? Se va a caer.
Why are we coming into my intro? I'm trying to get a shout out.
Hey.
Cuando te eche la primera, la segunda lo vas a sentir porque va a estar más paralizado. Mira, hay nadie esos shampoo que está ahí.
Exactly, the toner. Look at her putting mano.
Mira por aquí, mira.
How you feel, kid?
It's orange. It looks yellow. It looks blonde.
But you wanted it?
Yeah, it looks like it when I seen it. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Oh yeah.
But you definitely need toner, I'm sorry. This is orange.
I'm telling you, you need to, because down here is clarito.
Yeah, it looks like what I wanted it to look like.
360 for the camera.
Toner, quick.
Ooh, yeah, hell yeah.
Okay, toner, ready?
Mi madre, ¿qué pasa?
Like that, you're supposed to go forward. It's like,
Shut
yeah.
up.
I get haircuts.
Good morning. Today I'm pretty sure it's New Year's Eve, and we're getting a little shower here with bright sun. So we're going to get breakfast and then basically relax until the nighttime. We'll be cooking, there'll be some cooking. Pretty sure we're having like a bunch of seafood today. Taking a break from the carne frita. And it's bright out. I can't open my eyes. Wouldn't say 2020 was a dub for me. There were some good things that happened for me. I work from home now. I literally get up, morning routine, and just stay home. Is that not the best thing ever? As a homebody. Let's see. Guys, I don't check my phone when I'm here. I charge it, it's charged. Oh, by the way, it's 9:04. Oh my god. Oh, let me tell you this. So it's 9:04, right? Every morning, this is the only time that I check my phone, is when Puerto Rico sends you a text. It's basically a daily diary where they ask you, like, do you have any symptoms, blah, 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 blah. You respond yes or no. And every day, promise you, around 8:30, let me respond, because, before I forget, but every morning, they ask the same question. I'm gonna get a text in a second saying thank you for responding and taking the daily, let's call it a quiz. But they'll text you every morning since I touched. But DJ had it sent to his email and he hasn't even responded to one. So I just want to eat. I want to know how people do vlogs and they just look cute all the time. At all angles. I wish. I really, really envy those people. They just wake up and they're just gorgeous. Robert Anthony.
Robert Lee Anthony.
No, Robert Anthony.
Lee is a junior in the Spanish.
Lee, I gave it to him when he was little. Like, Robert Lee, come here.
Yeah, but Lee is the Spanish.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yum, yum. Mira qué bella.
Whoa.
Quiero la lengüeta.
Pancake sencillito.
Sencillito con jamoncito, tipo que Titi no puede mezclar mucho.
Love it. Whoa. 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 ¿Y el mío? No está. Oh, llegó. Wow. Wow. Whoa. So breakfast that we just had was bomb. I just dropped off my aunt at the supermarket for a few things that we're gonna need for tonight. Today's the 30th, so last day of 2020. And I dropped off my little cousin and DJ. They're gonna go get a haircut. I just think it's hilarious. He's loving it. I've changed about like 12 times today. Oh my God, Ma! Let me see, fool. Este es tu outfit. Oh. Ahí.
Mira, yo con esto me tengo la cabeza, ¿eh? Por Dios.
This little swing right here. It's the cutest. I hope not. What's the maximum weight? Let me see. Ooh.
Here, take a look.
Ooh, it's hot. Mmm. Good. I got the goods. All right, going to Walmart. Bye.
Beats the BMW 330i is cornering acceleration.
Este coco, ¿tú lo usas para algo?
Keep on racing ourselves.
Y estos pelos. Okay, we're gonna take a shampoo. Dime.
¿Qué van a hacer?
Shot.
Y yo me voy a comer un dorito.
Bueno, cheers. Se tiene que acabar. All right, packing up. Your water. ¿Listo?
Esa chapa, le puso 7-3. Antes de la funda, yo corro el FT. Un coro con la ganga, dime que lo que. Tu bebé una mala, ya quiere que lo dé. Altera, baby, esto se jodió. Vamos a guayar la noche entera. Tu día como los diamantes.
Taste.
Taste test? All right. Hold it up a little bit more.
Pretty fucking good. Mickey Woods, what do you think?
This ain't no gasolina. It's a plus. It might be a Palma. Might be a peak.
Babe, look at this view. Your camera does much better than mine.
Right?
The last day of the sandwiches. You didn't even wait? Rude. Wow. You're a loser.
¿Cuál es el de Eli?
No sé, ya tiene que bajar. It's worth it.
What do you think?
Facebook.
Instagram. That's my snap. Es dividiendo la ropa. ¡Arranca! Para allá.
Boy, you too crazy. Cause I shit. Oh, the riding. Come on a car like this. On a ride like this. You cause I shit. Oh, the riding. Come on a car like this. On a ride like this. How could you be so uncomfortable?
Oh, you're good, Robin. Baby's good. Woo! It's our last day here. And we're doing some laundry right now.
El corillo del Sambling.
No pusiste en la cara. Te cortaste tú mismo.
El corillo del Sambling, aquí estamos en PR. Muy bien.
I'm about to do Meredith's hair. I'll probably time lapse this.
Boy, you too crazy.
I'm sliding through the night, I'm out in Richmond. You should come out to the bay, spend some time. I promise I've been on my best behavior. I've been drinking, I'm trying to get it on. You spend all your...
Everybody's got their Yeti cup. Yeti cup.
¿Y tú, Yeti?
Yeti cup. Mami, your Yeti cup.
Robertito, aquí tiene un
Yeti cup.
de esos de
La
abrir.
neverita, pero aquí todo el mundo tiene ayer.
No.
No cabía.
¿Y de qué es eso?
Eddie, you gotta bring your foot up, Daddy. You gotta bring your foot up.
De la casa, tengo que seguir los cuentos.
I have brought my sneakers. I did bring them, but...
Ya yo me enteré, se nota cuando me ve. Ahí donde no llega, sabes que yo te...
Ay, bendito que.
He's not feeling it, baby.
Hold on.
¿Misión? Sí.
Oh, Ali, your phone. Take a bag.
Hi, buddy. Gracias, Ana.
You gonna get on him? ¿Lo va a montar?
Voy para allá.
Oh, he knows. Throw it.
Déjala. The line just grew in 2 seconds.
Sienna looks at this one.
Yeah.
¡Está en el viento! ¡Venga!
Ok, mira, tú coge esto. It's already recording. No puedo hacer esto a la misma vez. ¿Dónde está Eli?
Ok, vamos. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lady.
sancocho y carne frita.
Dale, pero mira, you keep it going, Corona,
I got my wish, I got my wish. I'm right here. I'm right here. To wish that I would be next to my auntie.
Yes. All the January babies.
All the January babies. All the December babies. All December.
No, you told December baby.
Yes, not January.
When's your birthday?
January.
Kenneth es January 9. Tú eres mañana.
Ellie?
Él es 23. Yo 22. 22, 23. Yes. Yo se lo dije a Mary que te empujara antes y no quiso. Para que fuera el mismo día que yo.
Same birthday, yeah?
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Mira que.
Y al lado sale.
¿Quién escribió?
Chota.
Qué chota. Dito, Robert, ¿sabes dónde quieres tener ahí? ¿En tú?
No.
Caso, nosotros nos metimos esa pick-up en ese baúl ahí. Mira la cabrita.
Gracias.
Ahí los vemos. Vayan bien. ¿Nos chequeamos, papá? Bien.
Salud.
Mira cómo es Eli.
Ooh, watch the branch. Ooh.
Oh, shit. ¿Quieres salir?
Amanso.
Ellos son
Nice smooth ride.